Hello, everyone, and welcome back. We often get into a situation where we have sent out an email and then we either remember that we missed some detail or miss a recipient and want to recall it. So, how can we salvage that situation? Today, we're going to see how we can utilize features for recalling an email. Once you open the sent email item, you have an actions option over there where you can select the type of recall that you can see. It has two options. One is to delete the unread copies of the message that you have just sent. So this will remove it from the recipient's mailbox. The second option is to delete the unread copies and replace with a new message. This is in case you uh, left out some detail and added in the new message. So your old message or email will be replaced with a new one after the recall. So right now I'm going to select the delete unread copies option and select OK. There's a check mark to tell me once the recall has completed. So this will notify if it has been successful after recall. I'll select OK, and immediately Outlook will show you that you have initiated a recall for this message, and your email from the recipient's mailbox will be removed once it has been successful. So this is a short option that a lot of people don't know about in MS Outlook, and often we get into a situation where we want to recall a message which we have sent out by mistake or missed some important detail in it. I hope this short video will help you in recalling wrongly sent messages. Please click the like button and remain subscribed to the channel. Bye bye.